Hello children, today we will start with the new lesson of Standard 6 Maths. Lesson number 12, Percentage. In this lesson, we will study how to find out the percentage of a given number. Also, we will come to know the fractional form of percentage and the percentage form of the fraction. First, let's understand what means percentage. In your textbook, page number 61. Page number 61. This is the symbol of battery of your mobile. This is the picture of your battery. You must have seen that the battery of your mobile is sometimes 43%, sometimes 50%, sometimes 70%, etc. So that is the percent of battery remaining for your mobile. Same way, there's a dam here and 58% of water present in the dam. Let's start with the first point, percentage in the form of a fraction. Now, we will try to solve few examples and we'll try to make them in the form of a fraction. First example is 50%. 50%. The symbol of percent is like this. This is 50%. Now, always remember one thing, that a percentage is found out of 100. It is never greater than 100. It is always either 100 or less than 100 till 100. Then we have to find out percentage. That means out of which number? That is 100. So 50% means 50 upon 100. Since it is percentage, it is upon 100. 50 is kept as it is. This is equal to, this 0 and this 0 goes off. 5 upon 10 is equal to 5 1s are 5 2s are. Both the numbers 5 and 10 are divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are is 10. So answer is 1 upon 2. Therefore, the fractional form of 50% is 1 upon 2. The fractional form of 50% is 1 upon 2. Let's go for second example. Second example is 25% is equal to, same 25 upon 100. This is equal to, now directly we can divide. 25 1s are 25, 25 4s are is 100. So answer is 1 upon 4. Thus, the fractional form of 25% is 1 upon 4. Third example. Third example is 35% is equal to 35 upon 100. Now, in these two examples, example number 1 and 2, we could easily divide numerator and denominator. But can we do it for third example? No. 35 and 100. In the table of 35, 100 doesn't come, isn't it? So we cannot cancel out directly. What we will do? We will divide both by 5 now. 7 5s is 35 and 25s is 100. Both are divisible 5. Both are divisible by 5. So 5 into 7 is 35. 5 into 100 is 20. So answer remains 7 upon 20. You can have some more examples also. Let's go to the further point. This point was percentage in the form of a fraction. Now what we will do? Fraction in the form of a percentage. See now, in these examples, we were given percentage and we found fractional form. Fractional means in the form of numerator and denominator. Now we will go reverse. Numerator and denominator form will be given and we have to go back to percentage. First example is 3 upon 4. 3 upon 4. This 4, we have to convert it to 100. Multiply something with 4 to obtain 100. Whichever number you will use for the denominator, same has to be used for the numerator. So 4 into which number will give you 100? That is 25. As I am using 25 down, I have to use 25 up also. Okay, so 4 into 25, 100. 3 into 25 is 75. Now 75 upon 100 means 75%. Simple as that. 75%. Second example. 2 upon 5 is equal to 5 multiplied with something, you have to get 100. So 5 into what number will give you 100? 5 into 20. So if we are using 20 here, we have to use 20 here also. 5 into 20 is 100. 2 into 20 is 40 is equal to 40%. See, we went reverse. These both the conditions are vice versa to each other. Our next question is from the textbook page number 62. Word problem. First word problem. Last year, Giri Premi group planted 75 trees. Of this, 48 trees flourished. So 48 trees were survived out of 75 trees which were planted by which group? Giri Premi group. Second condition is the Karmavir group planted 50 trees of which 35 flourished. So a second condition is there is one more group named Karmavir group and they had planted 50 trees out of which 35 trees were flourished. Flourished means they survived. Remaining trees died. Which group was more successful in conserving the trees they had planted? Now see, in first condition 75 trees were planted, out of that 48 lived, and second one is 50 trees planted, out of that 35 lived. From both these conditions, here 48 trees flourished and here 35 trees flourished. By easily looking we can understand that 48 number is greater than 35. But we will not solve like that. We are asked what? Which group was more successful? To find out which group is more successful, the total number of trees planted should also be equal. But here 75 trees were planted and here 50 trees were planted. So we have to solve it according to the comparison method, but we will find out the percentage. So first one we will find out the percentage 48 out of 75. In second condition 35 out of 50. We will find out the percentage. Whoever's percentage is more will be more successful group. So percentage is found out of 100. Percentage is always found out of 100. To see here, 75 will be denominator, 48 will be numerator. We don't have to think much about numerator. Denominator is 75. 75 we cannot easily convert it into 100. We don't have a simple number to multiply with 75 so as to obtain 100. We can do that with 50. 50 multiplied by 2 will give you 100, but not for 75. So we will go with comparison method. Let A%, this is the solution, be the success by Giri Premi group. Let B% be the success by Karmavir group. Okay, we have considered A% and B%. Now what we will do? We will make parts, two parts. Here we will solve for Giri Premi and here Karmavir. Okay, as we have considered A% and B% means A upon 100 and B upon 100. So Giri Premi's number is A upon 100 and here B upon 100. What is the number of success rate for Giri Premi group? 75 were planted, out of which 48 flourished. So 75 48 upon 75. Second condition is 50 trees were planted by, out of which 35 were flourished. So B upon 100 is equal to 35 upon 50. Therefore, first we will solve this part, then we will go for this part. Now pay attention. A upon 100 is equal to 48 upon 75. A we don't know. We have to find out the value of A. Okay. So which are the two present opposite quantities? That is 100 and 48. By this method, numerator denominator is equal to numerator denominator. We have is equal to sign. So we are bound to do cross multiplication. 75 multiplied by A and 100 multiplied by 48. So value of A is equal to 100 into 48. And this 75 we keep it down in the denominator. We can take 75 multiplied with A also. But we want just the value of A. So we are keeping it down only. This is equal to. Now divide it. 3 into 25. 3 into 25 is equal to 75. That is 25 3 is 75 and 25 4 is 100. So we obtain 4 into 48 upon 3. Again 3 is divisible by 48. 3 ones are 3. 3 into 16 will give you 48. So answer is 4 multiplied by 16 is equal to 64. Value of A is equal to 64. What is that value? Percent of Giri Premi group. So 64 percentage. Second one. B is equal to 100 into 35 upon 50. Simple. 50 ones are 50, 2s are 2 into 35 is equal to 70. So B is 70, but what is that? Percentage, 70%. Now see, compare. A is more or B is more? Of course, B is greater than A. So who is more successful? B is for Karmavir. Therefore, Karmavir group was more successful. Is it clear? Thank you.